Hello, this is Mr. Carlin. Let's talk about your homework assignment, polygons in a coordinate plane, and area homework. Let's look at questions number 1 and 2 down here at the bottom. It says to plot the ordered pairs 4, -3, and 4, 5. Remember, in ordered pairs, that first number is your x value, and that second number is your y value. Okay? So we're going to plot this ordered pair 4, -3. That's a positive 4 in x, so we go over 4 in x, and then down 3 because it's a -3. And we put our point right there. Nice big dot. Okay, then we're going to plot 4, +5. So over 4, and then +5 and y. So it's going to be about right there. Nice big dot. And then on number 2, it wants us to construct a rectangle using these two vertices. The other vertices have a horizontal distance of 4 units from the points given. Okay, horizontal, that means side to side. Okay, horizontal distance of 4 units. Okay, and then we're going to label the ordered pairs for all the vertices that would complete the rectangle. All right, so we need to make a rectangle. We need to have 2 more points that are going to be 4 units horizontal. That can be 4 this way or it can be 4 this way. Either way matters. Alright? So from here, distance, remember, is how far it is. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a point right there. And that means that my other vertice is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 right in here. Now don't forget, it says to label the ordered pairs. Okay? So this ordered pair is going to be +8, -3. So 8, -3. And this one is going to be +8, +5. So 8, 5. Okay? So that's how you do question number 1. It's similar to question number 2. Okay? And then on number 3. On number 3, it's wanting you to construct a rectangle, okay, in the third quadrant. Remember, the third quadrant is this quadrant here, and you're going to label all the vertices of that rectangle. Okay? All right. On number 4, it's wanting you to find the area of a triangle. Remember, to find area of a triangle, that's going to be base times height divided by 2. Okay? So our base of this triangle is 6, so we got 6, and our height is 8, so 6 times 8 divided by 2. Alright, so 6 times 8 is 48, divided by 2, that's going to be 24. So, and it's in centimeters, so our area is 24 centimeters squared. Remember, we square our units when we're talking about area because it's the number of squares inside. Number 5 is like that one. Let's look at number 6 though. It's wanting you to find the missing dimension of this triangle. Well, it looks like for this triangle the base is what's missing. We have an area of 30 inches and a height of 10. So we're going to use our formula, base times height divided by 2, to help us find what that base is. Plugging in, we know that our area is 30, and that's going to equal the base, which is b that we don't know, times the height of 10, and we divide that by 2. Now, in order to find or solve this equation for b, we use inverse operations. So since this line means it's dividing, we're going to do the opposite first here with the dividing, and we're going to times the 2 to 30. 2 times 30 is 60. So now I have 60 equals b times 10. Okay? And if I'm multiplying by 10, then that means I'm going to divide by 10. So when I divide by 10, 60 divided by 10 is 6. So my base is 6 inches. And we can plug that in for b back up here to see if we're correct. If we did 6 times 10, that's 60 divided by 2, which is 30. Alright? Area of parallelograms on number 7. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole problem on this one, but I am going to show you that when you're finding area of a parallelogram, it is just the base times the height. Okay, we know that our base is 12 and our height is 6, so you're going to do base times height, and that's going to be your area. Don't forget, it's going to be centimeters squared when you have your answer. Okay. On number 8, you're finding the missing dimension. We don't know the base, so again, we use our formula, and we know our area, which is already 24 meters squared, and we know our height, which is 3, so we're going to plug it in. Area, which is 24, equals B times 3, and then we're going to solve for B. I'm not going to do it for you, but just know you're using inverse operations. Okay? Don't forget about your vocab, and if you have any other questions about your homework, be sure to ask your teacher before you turn it in. Thanks.